Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in and take a look at how Bitcoin did today and just get an overview about perpetual futures, liquidation levels, and what we covered earlier in the day. And let's just wrap it up for the day. Get my screen set here. So this is our 8-hourly, the 8-hour chart on TradingView, and we had this channel here, horizontal channel. Let me get my highlighter up so you can see it. Horizontal channel here, and also this bear flag that Bitcoin broke out of. It's like a shooting rocket. Went up above, came really close to 42. Did it hit 42? Let me check. I don't think so. It came really close to 42. Maybe it hit 42. I'm not sure. I was biking. But yeah, so fantastic day for Bitcoin. I mentioned that more than likely it'll fall back, but it might need some time to consolidate first, right around here, and then in my opinion, it'll drop back here. And I want to review some of the notes I did for the indicators. Is that the white J line crossed above the blue K and red D line and reach a peak, and will soon round off and start turning down. You can see that's already rounding off. I'll maximize it for you. Well, that doesn't really help. But it is rounding off right here. Hope you can see it. And then it'll just round off and come down. On the MACD, I said the white MACD is trending above the red signal line and will likely print some more white histogram bars. And it did that. Print some more, a couple more histogram bars. And then for the RSI, CVD, and the white MOM line momentum, I said that the lines were all trending up in parallel. They will likely round off and go sideways and then down. Well, they rounded off, and currently they're going sideways, and very soon they'll probably go down. So my notes are pretty much accurate to what it said, what I said this morning. So that's cool. Let's take a look at other charts here. Get rid of this. And then we'll move another chart over. Let's get the market update. Let me get everything situated so it's nice and clean for you. All right. So this is the TradingView 30-minute time frame. This is our U.S. market, stock market, with Bitcoin here. Let's take a look at the various charts here. The dollar, market opening, we saw this. It trended down, pretty much going horizontal. And the U.S. Government bonds of the 10-year bonds. I'm so sorry I had the wrong chart this morning, but it is the correct one now. It went up before the market opened, and then turned it up slightly, and then pretty much, couple choppy moves, but pretty much horizontal ever since. So these horizontal moves are interesting because soon they're going to either move up or down. So, and we just got to wait and see. The NASDAQ, after opening, went down. For the rest of the day, went up, and pretty much, went up for most of the day. At closing, it went down. Printed a bigger candle on the down move. Similarly, with the S&P 500 index, almost identical pattern, but it printed a bigger candle here on the red candle at the end of the day. The Dow pretty much went down during opening and just went sideways and then printed a red candle at the end of the day. I won't be going through the Asian markets and also the European markets because they're closed. So let's get back to, let's get another chart out here for you. Let's go and look at derivatives. So on the derivatives, Bitcoin futures, you can see that it went up here. Open interest went up, and it's been, this is a 4-hour chart, by the way. So it went up on open interest, and it's got a couple of little red candles here. Down here, this is backed by, this is open interest backed by stable coins. Down here is backed by coins like Bitcoin, etc. It's got a printed like 4 little tiny white candles, but pretty much flat, Down here this is predicted funding rate, and it showed mostly positive in the last several sessions of the 4 hours here, and this one remains positive. So this didn't change much from this morning, so that's about it for that one. Let's get to another one. Let's take a look at most people's favorite liquidation map here. This is High Block Capital's liquidation map. I want to show you the increase in the overage of longs versus short. Longs are now $8.64 billion on the overage. The difference between high liquidation levels of longs minus shorts. So they're extremely long here. And these are their levels. Right here. This all came in today. All that. So what's going to happen is, I'll scroll up here so you can see what's up. Oh no. Don't like it when it does that. Let's run it again. And this is just Binance alone. So you can see above, these are the shorts that are left on 25x to 100x leverage. That's it. The rest are longs down here. And again, this is just from Binance. And Binance hold the most derivatives. So the incentive is for price to go down this way and liquidate these levels. And to do that, whales, smart money, whatever, would hold the opposite position using high leverage, manipulate the spot market, and cause price to go down by dumping a lot of BTCs, and price will go down there, and they win on the leverage side, and they can buy back on the spot side. So they win both ways. Let's go look at one more chart. And we're going to look at the heat map here. So here's the heat map. A couple of things you want to notice. And there was a wall up here just above 38, and that disappeared after this point right here. And a wall just above 38 still right here. There were two there, but now just one. The other one is 33 that came in. A little one below that kind of is fading away at around 32.5. 32 is there's a wall there. 31 there's a small wall there. 30 this wall has been here for quite some time. We're familiar with that. 29, 28, 25, and I'm not going to go down below that. And I want to show you what's above. So not much above. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in and check out some of the actions. And I'm going to shrink this up a little bit. And here's that upward movement. I probably need to bring it down a little bit so you can see the other levels. You can see, oh man, I probably need to do some more. It was such a big movement today. It was fantastic to see. So you can see here, right in horizontal. This was when it was around 37, mid 30s, around mid 37s, 37.5K, and then it rose. Look at this one. This one is like 862 Bitcoins. These are all, so it rose through here, went consolidate sideways, rose up some more, and went sideways. So you can see here, here's a spoof wall trying to prop it up. Here's another, it probably moved up here, try to prop it up. Here's another wall to prop it up. But what you've seen here, it's going to move sideways. You see pressure from the top here, sell walls on top, pressure from the bottom, so it's going to consolidate for a while until somebody gets bored and exert more force or pressure to make it move a certain direction. My bet is 90% down from here. So what's going to happen? Some of you want to know, well, are we done with the low 30s or mid 30s? I don't think so. I think we're going to revisit in that we're going to drop, Bitcoin's going to drop back into that horizontal channel, and we'll probably sit down there for a bit. Part of the reason I think the price changed today is because a lot of losses took place in the equities market, and there is a probability that somebody needed to make some money, and so Bitcoin crypto market, it's at this point in time, can, with the right amount of capital, can be manipulated so that they can make up the losses they had in equities. And I expect this weekend to be a little bit volatile because the stock market is closed, and Bitcoin and crypto is open 24/7. So we'll probably see some actions this weekend. I appreciate you spending time with me, and it's been a fun ride today. If you enjoy the content, please smash the like, ring my bell, and hit subscribe if you're not. And please leave a comment in the comment section on YouTube, and share with your friends my tweets and my videos, so we can help more people not wreck in their cryptos and their finances. Appreciate it. Peace. See you tomorrow.